Cutting-edge research has shown that flinging poop is an indicator of superior intelligence in our ancestors. Amongst our chimp and ape predecessors, those that threw the most and those that were more likely to hit their desired targets showed heightened development in parts of their brain for communication and self-expression. Nowadays, throwing your excrement, in public at least, is somewhat frowned upon. But fortunately, we have found a better way for you and your beastly instincts to scream out, "I am the boss."